Hello everyone, let's look at the new features and changes that Microsoft is rolling out on Windows 11 build 26220.6690 in the dev channel. These changes also apply to Windows 11 build 26120.6690 in the beta channel. Okay, first, when hovering over an app that is running on the desktop, you are now going to see that Microsoft is adding a new Share with Copilot button on the preview, so you can share that application with Copilot using the Copilot Vision feature. And once you do that, you will also have access to the Copilot Vision controls, which are these ones right here. Honestly, I don't have a clue who requested this feature. I'm still not able to find it on my computer, and I don't think it's a good idea, at least to be cluttering the preview experience in the taskbar. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Microsoft is also updating the click to do actions menu. In previous builds, we had seen that the company is working on adding a Copilot prompt box on the menu, but now, as part of the suggestions, we're also going to see a translate option that you can use when selecting text from a snapshot. So now when you select this suggestion, then Copilot will be able to show you a translation of the selected text. Now, as part of this release, Microsoft is also updating the accounts section. And basically, the only thing that's happening is that the company is renaming the email and accounts page to your accounts. And of course, this change did not appear on any of my 3 computers that I have enrolled in the Windows Insider program. Also, if we're using the Spotlight feature on Windows 11, now when you right click on the desktop, the company is adding the options to learn more about that particular background. And you also have a control to change to the next desktop wallpaper. That is part of the Spotlight feature. Now, if we go to the personalization section, and then if we go to background, we're not going to see any new options. However, it appears that Microsoft is updating the picture option when setting up a background that allows you to set live wallpapers as your background. Now, if you remember back into Windows Vista, the operating system included a feature called Dream Scene that allows you to set live wallpapers. But then the feature was abandoned, and now it appears that it's coming back. The company did not mention this feature, and this is a hidden feature still, which might come to Windows Insiders in future updates. So to set a live wallpaper on your computer, you just need to select the picture option, and then you just need to select the live wallpaper file, which in this case, it can be an MP4 file. So right here, if I click the browse button, here I have one MP4 file that is actually a live wallpaper, and then we just need to click the choose picture. And as you can see, now the wallpaper is set into the background. And finally, these previews of Windows 11, including build 26220.6690 and the 26120.6690, include different fixes and known issues that you need to know before updating to this particular build. And that's it. Those are pretty much all the changes that we're going to see in this release. Let me know in the comments what you think about them. And like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.